Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your F-150 front seat. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a socket wrench set, a T50 Torx bit, and a trim removal tool. Before touching any components, move your seat to its furthest forward or backward position to expose the mounting bolts. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment and avoids electrical issues during the removal process. Next, you'll focus on the 4 bolts securing your seat to the floor. There are usually 2 bolts at the front and 2 at the rear. Some bolts may have small plastic covers. Gently pry these off with a trim tool or flathead screwdriver. Use a 13mm or 15mm socket or a T50 Torx bit to loosen and remove each of these 4 bolts completely. Keep them organized for reinstallation. With the mounting bolts removed, carefully tilt the seat backward to expose the underside. Here, you'll find the main electrical harness that powers various seat functions, including airbags and power adjustments. This connector often has a locking tab or a lever mechanism. Gently depress the tab or swing the lever to release the locking mechanism, then carefully pull the large electrical plug apart. Avoid pulling directly on the wires. Now that all connections are free, double-check that no wires are snagged and all 4 bolts are removed. The front seat can be quite heavy, so it's highly recommended to have a helper for this final step. Carefully lift the seat straight up and out of the truck's cab. Take care not to scratch any interior surfaces during removal. Congratulations! Your F-150 front seat is now successfully removed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.